In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the turbidity sensor in your dishwasher. So in order to change the part, in a lot of cases it can be easily done simply by pulling the dishwasher out from your kitchen cabinet, or even in some models you're able to reach in underneath where the kick plate is in order to access it. A little bit harder on this one because of the front that comes down a ways. But for demonstration purposes, I'm going to put the dishwasher on its back so we can easily show you locations and how it actually comes out. So to remove our turbidity sensor, on this dishwasher, it's mounted right here on the end of where your drain hose is. Now, depending on your make and model, it may be in a different location, but it's always tied in to your drain hose. So what a turbidity sensor is doing is measuring the amount of material in the water as it's passing out to the drain. So to remove it, we're going to remove this clamp. Now, if your dishwasher is in a vertical position, you are going to get some water pouring out of this from what's laying in the sump, and there's always water laying in the sump of a dishwasher. So you want to have a towel or a little container or a cookie sheet or something underneath to catch that water. So this particular sensor is held with a screw. Depending on the make and model, it may be held with 2 screws, or it may just have a clamp on either end. With the screw removed, we can simply lift the sensor out of its location. And there are 2 wires attached to it, so we're going to want to remove those.